Water treatment process. Water treatment is a process designed to improve the quality of water to make it suitable for a specific end use, which can include drinking, industrial processes, irrigation, water recreation, or returning it to the environment. The treatment process can vary depending on the source of the water, e.g., surface water, groundwater, or wastewater, and the intended use. Here's an overview of the typical steps involved in water treatment. Preliminary treatment. Screening. Removal of large debris, such as sticks, leaves, and plastic, using screens or grates. Grit removal. Settling tanks or classifiers are used to remove sand, gravel, and other heavy particles that can damage equipment. Coagulation and flocculation. Coagulation. Chemicals coagulants, such as aluminum sulfate, alum, or iron salts are added to destabilize suspended particles. Flocculation. The water is gently mixed to encourage small particles to collide and form larger aggregates, flocks, that can settle more easily. Sedimentation. The water is held in a tank, sedimentation basin, where the flocks settle to the bottom, forming sludge. The clear water on top can then be collected for further treatment. Filtration. The water is passed through filters, which can be made of sand, gravel, or specialized materials, to remove remaining suspended solids and some microorganisms. Disinfection. To ensure the removal of pathogens, disinfection methods such as chlorine, ozonation, or ultraviolet (UV) light are used. This step is crucial for drinking water treatment to kill bacteria, viruses, and parasites. pH adjustment and chemical treatment. If necessary, the pH of the water is adjusted to prevent corrosion in pipes and ensure proper chemical balance. Additional chemicals may be added for specific contaminants, e.g., activated carbon for taste and odor removal. Thanks for watching.